Hello friends, I'm Parvez and this is our 17th video in wxPython GUI Application Development. In the previous video, we have learned how you can create question dialog in wxPython. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create spin controls in wxPython. So now let's get started, and I have created a new Python file, and I'm going to copy my just window code and paste it in my new Python file. Just change the title to the spin control like this. Okay, now if I run this, you will see that I have a window. So for creating a spin control in the wxPython in your panel class, I'm going to create a self.spin control, a variable, and wx.spin control, and it needs some parameters. The first one is self. We have an ID. I'm going to give it -1, and also give a position for your spin control. I'm going to give XY position to 30 and 50. After this, we need to set the range for our spin control. Spin control dot set range. I want the range between 1 and 100. Also set the default value for your spin control. Dot spin control dot set value, not set validator, dot set where is it, dot set value, and I'm going to give it 5. Okay, after this I'm going to create a label, self dot label, wx dot static text, and give it self, and the label title, the label text, I'm going to leave it blank, and the position, I want it should be below of my spin control, so it's in at 30 and 80 like this. Okay, after this, if I run this, I will see spin control. You can see the default value is 5 and the range is between 1 and 100. So now I'm going to make an event for this. So in here I need to create a new method, def on spin, and first I want to get the value of my spin control. Self dot spin control dot get value. I get the value of my spin control and I save it in spin value variable. Now I want to set this spin value to my label. So self dot label dot set label text, and the value is plus convert your value to the string spin value. Okay, after this, bind your event self to your spin control, and this is wx.evt underscore spin control, and self dot on spin and self dot spin control. Okay, now let me run this. Hopefully it works. Okay, now we have our spin control. If I change the value, it's not working. Just let me check this. Where's the problem? Set label text, self dot on spin and self dot wx.evt Okay, every time I forgot to add an event in here. So now I'm going to run this, and now if I change this, you can see the value is changing. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and I will add the source code to the video description. For the further videos, subscribe to the channel and also like and share the videos.